how to cancel one item on Shein order. So go ahead into your Shein account, go to the bottom right corner, which is the Me section, and just go ahead into the My Order section. There's unpaid, there's processing, and there's ship and whatever. But as long as it hasn't arrived at your place, of course, then you should still be able to cancel it properly. So choose wherever it is. In our case, it is inside processing. And from there, we'll have three options, which is canceling, tracking, and edit address. So we're going to go ahead and choose the cancel option. So if you request for the items to be canceled, you will no longer be able to recover the item, and just go ahead and press on yes if you're sure. And from here, we just go ahead and toggle which one we want to cancel. If there's multiple, you can choose that, but since you want to cancel only one item, just choose one, of course, and then just go ahead and press on the next step. There's also a cancellation reason, so you can go ahead and put that there, and you can just go ahead and press on confirm. Then just submit. You'll see the refund amount and it will be cancelled. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.